In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps that you need to take to make money on YouTube without making videos. I'm literally going to share my entire blueprint with you, so make sure you tune in and pay attention. This process that you're about to discover has taken me 6 years to discover this and perfect this, so make sure you drop whatever you're doing and take notes because this is the exact process from A to Z. Now, in the last 3 videos in this 6-video series, I talked about why niche YouTube channels where you don't even have to show your face are the best way to make money on YouTube, and we talked about that in video number 1. In video number 2, I revealed 27 different niches that you can do this in and how you can get started generating videos without ever showing your face. And in video number 3, I revealed the #1 secret that I've been using for years to go viral on YouTube and exactly how to do it. Now, in case you haven't watched the first 3 videos yet, make sure you go watch those videos first before this one because they're filled with a ton of practical information that you can use to get started with this immediately. So with that being said, let's jump straight into the blueprint. This is the exact roadmap that I personally use for every new channel that I start. It's how I grew a channel from 0 to 500,000 subscribers in a single year, and this is the exact roadmap that all of my students use as well. Step number 1 is to choose a niche. Now, if you've watched the second video in this 6-video series, then you know that there are a ton of different niches out there that you can get started doing YouTube in without ever showing your face. But there is a lot more to it. You need to make sure that the niche you choose is actually viable, and you need to do market research to make sure that you're not just wasting your time with a particular niche and that you make sure the niche is actually viable. After choosing a niche, that brings us into step number 2, which is to do my secret keyword process. Now, if you've watched video number 3 in this 6-video series, then you know that similar metadata is the secret for going viral on YouTube. And this secret keyword process is exactly how I find the absolute best keywords to target my videos on to implement on all of my different YouTube videos. And the great thing about this keyword process is that you only do it once for the lifetime of your channel. After that, then that brings us into step number 3, which is to make a list of 33 different YouTube video ideas. Now, you might be asking, why 33? Now, 33 because that's the average amount of videos that I've seen until I can start to get enough data from a YouTube channel to really start optimizing and ramping up the channel. Now, 17 of these video ideas are going to come from the secret keyword process that we already did, so we have those 17 video ideas, and the remaining 16 are going to be from going to other popular YouTube channels within your niche, sorting their videos by their most popular, and modeling your videos off of already popular videos. So 17 videos from keyword research, and the remaining 16 of those first 33 will be from already popular videos. Then it's time for step number 4, which is to generate and upload those first 33 videos. Now, to save you the most amount of time as possible, I recommend implementing a system that will help you systematize the actual creation of your videos. Also, it's really important to follow the anatomy that almost all viral videos follow, and to optimize your videos using my video optimization checklist. So optimizing your videos is as simple as just checking things off of a checklist. And once you've done that, you'll know that your videos are optimized for the best chance of success. Step number 5 is to analyze and optimize based off of the analytics of your first 33 videos. Now, when you upload 33 different videos to your YouTube channel, not only is there a chance that one of those videos will blow up and get you a ton of views, but also, even if they don't, you're going to be getting a ton of golden information and data that you can take action on. Now, I've had so many different YouTube channels upload 33 different videos. I think the channel is dud. I nearly give up on the channel, but I optimize the channel based off of some key statistics that I go into my analytics and find. And as a result of doing that, I've had channels absolutely take off that I almost quit with. So it's really imperative that you don't skip this step in the process and you analyze and optimize for your next batch of 33 videos, and then it's very likely that one of your videos will take off. And in doing this process, you're going to be having more videos going out onto YouTube, and each iteration of 33 videos will be building your backlog of videos, so your videos will start feeding each other and you can potentially experience exponential growth. And I think this method of approaching YouTube is the best way of doing it. Step number 6 then is to start monetizing your channel and start making money from your channel. Now, this is one of my favorite steps, and this is the step that so many people go wrong with as well. Most people think that the only way to make money from a YouTube channel is just from ad revenue alone. And that is definitely not the case. Now, you might know that you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to get monetized on YouTube to start making money from YouTube ads. Now, I personally had a channel that wasn't even monetized with YouTube ads, yet that channel got to the point of making $27,000 a month through alternative monetization strategies. And I share those strategies in my program, and it's really imperative that you implement some of these strategies in conjunction with YouTube ad revenue to make the absolute most amount of money possible. Also, when it comes to ad revenue, there's a few secrets that can help you make the absolute most from it, and I'm going to be sharing some of those secrets in the next video in the 6-video series also. Step number 7 is to scale and outsource. This is how you can build a true YouTube empire. Once your channel is running good and it's making money, then it's time for you to outsource some of the work so you're not just generating all the videos yourself. And I have a step-by-step process for exactly how to do it, how to hire people. I show you exactly how to find the best people to hire, how much to pay them. I show you how to write the job posts. You can look over my shoulder as I do it. And I even give you templates, and I even show you examples of me actually hiring people successfully. So this way you can see exactly how to do this to scale to running multiple different YouTube channels. And another really low-hanging fruit with this is to get all of your channels translated into different languages. You'll notice that a lot of the top channels like Brightside, Watch Mojo, and many others translate their channels into multiple different languages. Now you can actually do this for pennies on the dollar as opposed to the cost that it would cost you to generate videos from scratch. So even if your first channel isn't profitable, or it is profitable and you're making a ton of money from your channel, you can get that channel translated to multiple different languages, and that's where some insane amounts of profit can be made. And I do this for all my channels. I don't speak any other languages. I get other people to do it for me for very cheap. So once you have the content for one channel, then it's time to scale into many different channels and you can build your YouTube empire. Also, part of this is putting in place a video creation assembly line to help generate the videos for you, in which you hire things like a scriptwriter to write the scripts, a voiceover artist to do the voiceover, a video editor to edit the videos, and a thumbnail designer to make the thumbnails for you. And the only steps that you then need to take are coming up with video ideas and uploading and optimizing the finished videos. And you can do this in just a couple hours per day, even if you're running multiple channels. And imagine having multiple channels working for you on autopilot day in and day out. Now, all of this and a lot more is covered in my program, Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0. In it, I also include bonus step-by-step checklists, including timelines as to how long this actually takes, so you can simply check things off of a checklist and know exactly how long it's supposed to take to choose a niche, come up with a channel name, optimize your channel for success, and get your channel running and underway. It also includes script templates for systematizing your videos, a list of over 100 plus profitable niches, and a list of over 239 different example niche channels that don't ever show their face. You also get script templates for hiring people, video optimization checklists, and so much more, and you can literally watch over my shoulder as I reveal all of this to you. And all you have to do is follow along and implement this step by step. So make sure you're on the lookout for when Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0 launches with all the extra bonuses, because I believe that you're gonna get a ton of value from it. In the next video, in this 6-video series, I'm gonna be revealing to you a specific example and what it actually looks like when you're up and running with a niche channel. I'll walk you through a detailed case study that shows you how fast that you can get results once you've implemented this process the right way, and how you can actually start monetizing your channel and making money the right way. So stay tuned, you don't want to miss the next video. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you there. Now, if the next video is already out, make sure to check it out right here next to me. If you see a video popping up right here, this is the next video in our 6-video series. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. My name is Matt Parr, and I'll see you there.